Hindi ko po maintindihan bakit parang dito hirap na hirap po siya magtagalog when in fact sa Congress po nung November, Tagalog naman po ang sagot niya. I mean, mabuti po sana pati yung discretionary and she's a government official, she doesn't know what discretionary means is. I mean, what it means. Dito po, puro sumasagot naman po siya. English, Tagalog. Tama na po itong panluloko sa atin.
Madam Witness, kinukumpirma mo na may mga activities sa report nyo, sa liquidation, sa accomplishment report na nabasa nyo, na hindi makikita, mababasa sa physical and financial plan. Tama po ba?
Your Honor, pag-imo na
Ma'am, this time po, I hope you don't mind po. Yung question is simple, no? So, pwede kang tanungin ng abogado ng kabila, pero pakisagot lang po muna.
The witness is
Yes or no?
answering, Your Honor.
Yo-
Let the witness answer.
Allow the witness to answer,
Okay.
counsel.
Yes. May mga activities, programa, kalihukan in Bisaya reflected in the reports, accomplishment reports, na hindi naman mababasa, makikita, nailista sa physical and financial plan. Tama po ba?
libog. Nalito ako, Your Honor.
Nandito ka. Anyways, Your Honor,
Ma'am, sa accomplishment report, yes, Senator Judge Zubiri, would you like to offer your services?
Yes, actually, not the services to interpret, but it's possible that Attorney Ligutan could ask the question in Bisaya para maintindihan, kasi pareho kami mga Bisaya, para maintindihan ni Ma'am Acosta. And then, anyway, it can be objected to by the defense because I know there are 3 or 4 of you, Bisaya, taga Cebu, Tulo mo diya, nakasabot. So, you can always object if the translation of Attorney Ligutan is wrong, is different. It's simple Bisaya naman. Makasabot man ta, pero ang mga tinagalog din hindi kasabot. But it's very simple.
Yes,
so,
so-
maybe that way we don't have to keep stopping. Attorney Ligutan can ask the question first in Tagalog and then translate to simple Bisaya. Makatubag ni si Ma'am, she can answer. And then Attorney Ligutan can offer the answer also in Tagalog. If it is not of course, approved by the defense can give a clarification of what the answer of the lady witness has.
The point of the
Thank you
Senator
very much.
Judge is well taken. Let's try to do that,
Okay, now.
counsels, with your permission. Yes, Attorney Bakel?
Yes, Your Honor. May we respectfully suggest for a court-appointed interpreter, considering that hindi po kasi ako Bisaya. So, actually, nahihirapan po ako to understand the witness, understand Attorney Ligutan, and understand my colleagues who are likewise.
If you may, if you will, please. We already have an interpreter, actually 2 of them here,
Yes, sir.
that will course it through the chair if there is a need to do so. Some of the words are understandable. Anyway, kindly proceed slowly, Attorney Ligutan.
I will. So,
But on this issue and this question, Ms. Acosta, ang tanong po sa inyo, may mga nilagay po kayong accomplishment report na wala dun sa physical and financial plan. Na sinabi nyo lamang o tinisip nyo lang, kasama yan sa good governance program.
Ang nasulat sa accomplishment report, Your Honor, is yung mga expenses na allowable po sa confidential funds.
Opo, pero wala nga po yan, hindi yan nilagay doon sa physical and financial plan. Nakalagay lang po sa accomplishment report.
Sa accomplishment report, Your Honor, kung actual.
Kaya nga, doon nga lang po nakasulat. Sa physical and financial plan, wala po doon.
Generic po ang sa
Generic.
physical financial
Okay.
plan, Your Honor.
Attorney Ligutan, continue.
Opo. That's a cue to the next question. And because the program indicated in the plan is broad and general, generic sabi nyo, so much discretion is given to the office of the Vice President on how to utilize confidential funds. Translate into Tagalog. Unfortunately, I'll be needing, ano pong ibig sabihin, what's Tagalog for discretion po? Kasi nga, broad, general, yung program nakasulat sa PFP. Okay? Maski ano na lang, kahit anong gustong gawin, magagawa. Oh, wait, nakitan. Ng Office of the Vice President sa paggamit ng confidential funds. You want to translate in Visaya po? Kay tungod, general, generic, ang programa nakasulat sa plano bisag unsa. So much discretion. Ma'am, I think you understand discretion, di po ba?
Authority?
Dako ang pagbuot sa Office of the Vice President kung unsaon nila paggamit sa confidential funds. Tama po ba?
Objection,
Dili,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor.
What's the objection, counsel?
Speculative and argumentative, Your Honor.
It's not argumentative, counsel. Neither is it speculative. Objection overruled. Ma'am Gina, dahil po kayo nagsabi generic yung good governance program, malaking laya ang nabigay sa inyo para magsulat ng kung anumang mga programa na papasok doon sa generic na good governance program.
Dili, Your Honor. Kaya
Hindi.
nagbase ako sa Joint Circular 2015.
So ang sagot ay hindi ganun kalaki ang kalayaang meron sila dahil binase niya yung kanyang accomplishment report sa JC 2015-1. Tama po, ma'am?
Oh,
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney
See?
Ligutan.
now, showing you again, Madam Witness, the 2022 Physical and Financial Plan. After you prepared the plan, nakasulat dyan, show the document please, it was noted, Attorney J, noted by a certain Rosalyn Sanchez. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mhm. Yes, Your Honor. The document, please. And thereafter, you presented the plan kay Inday Sara, Vice President Sara, for her approval. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Gipakita na ko sa iya.
In this case, did she provide any feedback on the stated generic, coming from your own mouth, good governance program?
Unsa, Your Honor?
Nihatag ba, I'm sure you know feedback, nihatag ba og feedback si Vice President Sara Duterte sa sinabi mong generic good governance program? Katong imong gipakita ang plano para sa iyahang approval.
Gibasa lang niya, Your Honor. Pag human og basa, perma siya.
Yan. Saan po pumirma si Sara Zimmerman Duterte? Sa parte ng plano. Saan dyan?
Sa approve.
Approved by. Showing on screen, approved by Sara Z. Duterte, Vice President, Agency Head, Department Secretary, LCE.
With the indulgence of Attorney Ligutan, what is the pleasure of Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo?
Mr. President, I have here the transcript of the hearing in Congress. Hindi ko po maintindihan bakit parang dito hirap na hirap po siya magtagalog when in fact sa Congress po nung November, Tagalog naman po ang sagot niya. Ang tanong po sa kanya, ni Congressman Luistro, payment of incentive, 11 po. Would you know whether this amounts would total 120 exactly? Yes, ma'am. Gitotal ko po yan, ma'am. 120 million po. It's all puro Tagalog, Mr. President. What is this? I mean, mabuti po sana pati yung discretionary, and she's a government official, she doesn't know what discretionary means is. I mean, what it means? Dito po, puro sumasagot naman po siya. English, Tagalog. Yes po. Are you aware? Opo. O may authority, special disbursing officer. Kasi po, wala akong alam kung paano po i-implement ang mga confidential. Mr. President, tama na po itong panluloko sa atin. Please, Mr. President, compel this witness to talk in Tagalog. Kahit po yung mga Bisaya po nakaintindi ng Tagalog, nakakasalita ng Tagalog, ano tayo sa ibang bansa? Ano tayo, mga Hapon, mga Chinese? I know, Miss Witness, you can understand Tagalog, you can speak Tagalog dahil nandito po ito. Ilang pahina po ito. Tagalog po yung sagot po ninyo. English po, sumasagot kayo. Tinatanong kayo ng English, sumasagot po kayo. Bakit ngayon parang hirap na hirap? Kailangan i-translate sa Tagalog, sa Bisaya, sagot, Tagalog, Bisaya, Tagalog, Bisaya. E abutin mo tayo ng isang taon dito, Mr. President. Ito po yun. Sumagot naman po siya. Alam nga ba naman, lulukuhin tayo ng nagtatranscribe po nito. Sagot po yan. Kasi po, nagbabase lang po ako sa ibinigay ni Sir La Chica ng mga ibinalik niya sa akin. Ms. Acosta, kindly answer the question. Piatos po ang sinabi ko, ma'am, na apelyido. That's all, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo. Point well taken. Attorney Ligutan, to abbreviate the proceedings, kindly choose one language, English
All
or Filipino, in asking the question. You don't have to translate each time unless the witness requests you to do so.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preferably use Filipino, Attorney Ligutan,
Opo,
as I'm
opo.
sure
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
well versed with it as well. Para
Yes,
mas maunawaan po
Mr.
ni Ms.
Presiding-
Gina.
Honorable Presiding Officer.